Hello viewers, welcome to my Doctor Who themed YouTube channel, Who Ventures, and in this video I am opening the February TARDIS size amazing mystery box. So this is for February 2018 and let's get it open with my trusty scissors. I hope everyone's well and happy. And lots of love to all the Doctor Who cast and crew and all the fans. It's quite a heavy box this month. So thank you to the amazing mystery box team. Let's see what's in this mystery box. Oh, cool. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh my goodness. We have, I think this is a tablecloth. Oh wow. This is a big, massive tablecloth full of pop art TARDISes. Wow. Oh, that is pretty cool. That's a pretty cool. You could use it as a tablecloth or you could have it as a background for videos. It's not quite showing the colours as they are in real life, but oh, that a whole big TARDIS tablecloth for all your backgrounds and everything. That's really cool. And then what the heck is this? We've got Top Trumps card game and Dalek collector's tin. So a whole Dalek orb tin, 50th anniversary collector's edition. Full of top trump cards. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Then we have a mug, and this is one from the those 50th anniversary profile designs. This is the 6th Doctor and Perry. And it says his first and last lines, "You're expecting someone else? Carrot juice, carrot juice, carrot juice," and then it's all orange on the inside. So that's cool. And awesome. And then we've got a pot. And we've got the 9th Doctor pop. And the 9th Doctor is my first Doctor. So that's really cool. I think I've got this one. But the 9th Doctor Funko Pop. And then we've got Captain Jack. We've got a Torchwood action figure. This from the first wave, Captain Jack Harkness. His likeness is, well, it's okay. He's got his vortex manipulator on, so that's really cool. And now we've got a pencil set with TARDIS, Cybermen and Daleks on and on cool funky pencils. Then we have this book, Dimensions in Time and Space, an utterly unauthorised and unofficial guide to Doctor Who, with a foreword by Tom Baker. I think they already sent me one of these. So I've got this twice now, so. It's got loads of interesting facts and all your information, so. Cast and crew information for when you're doing your reviews and bits of trivia. So that's a really cool book. Then we've got one of these wristbands for Police Public Call Box ad. Then we've got some Battles of Times cards, Ultimate Monsters. So we've got Cyberman Invading Earth, Alpha Centauri, Husk 2, Ogron, Stike, Ood in Pursuit, Centauran Translator Unit, Sutek's Gift of Death, Glass Starlight is so shiny, that's cool. Oh wow. Then we've got an ultra rare, and this is 7th Doctor, Unfiltered Sunlight, and it's sort of like a lenticular. So that's ultra rare. Then we've got Drathro, Davros, Mr. Sin, Crinoid, Sil, the Malice, Magnus Greel, Nestine Energy Unit, Cyberbomb, and the Gods of Ragnarok. I quite like that one. That's a shiny one. And that is a rare one. And then also in this box we've got a t-shirt, and it says, "It's the Ghostbusters child, are you my mummy?" So that's a bit of a scary t-shirt. I don't know if I want to wear that because it's a bit scary, but it's a cool design. Then also in this box we have autograph, Peter Purvis autograph. And the first day cover for the first Doctor got a Peter Purvis autograph. I have met Peter Purvis, he is awesome. See, that's cool, getting that autograph. So that's all the goodies we got in the February 2018 Amazing Mystery Box TARDIS size box. So I definitely think it's worth the value. You get loads of stuff. The tablecloth and a book. You get tons of stuff. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Yay!